Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into the WKWKER Modern Round Rolling Stool with Footrest, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone seeking versatile and comfortable seating. First off, let's talk about adjustability. With its height ranging from 19.1 inches to 25 inches, this stool caters to various needs and preferences, whether you're working at a desk, getting pampered at a salon, or perfecting your craft in a studio. Plus, the 360 degrees swivel feature adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to effortlessly move around without missing a beat. Now, onto construction and materials. The metal base and hydraulic gas lift ensure stability and durability, while the seat cushion, filled with high-quality sponge and wrapped in water and oil-resistant PU leather, offer both comfort and practicality. And weighing in at just 7.9 pounds, it's lightweight enough to transport wherever you need it. Assembly is a breeze, folks. With the included tools and straightforward instructions, you'll have this stool set up and ready to go in a matter of minutes. No need to stress about complicated assembly processes. But perhaps what's most impressive about the WKWKER rolling stool is its versatility. Whether you're using it at home, in the office, or at a professional establishment like a spa or salon, its modern design fits seamlessly into any environment, elevating both style and functionality. And let's not forget about customer service. With a generous 2-year warranty and responsive support team, WKWKER stands behind their product, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a multifunctional seating solution that combines style, comfort, and durability, look no further than the WKWKER Modern Round Rolling Stool with Footrest. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and versatility it offers, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.